Karnataka. In this development, what we are learning that the city market police has arrested a shopkeeper and his assistant for assaulting a woman who they allege had stolen sarees worth over 5,000, 6,000 rupees from their shop. Now, this incident that happened on the 20th of September. However, the woman returned to steal sarees worth over 10,000 rupees on the 21st of September. And allegedly, it's being said that she was caught red-handed by the shopkeeper. The police have also arrested the woman and has now made a partial recovery of the stolen items. But as per the police, the incident that happened on the 20th and the 21st, but the viral video of the assault only emerged later. Now, reportedly, the woman was part of a gang that operated from Andhra Pradesh. So let's get in a word from Neha, who's connected with us. Neha, good morning. We've seen the video that went viral of a woman being thrashed outside the shop. But why wasn't a police complaint raised on that day? Why did the shopkeeper decide to take law in his own hands? However, we are told that on both sides arrests have been made.
Well, Amita, that's absolutely right. This shocking video here that sent, quite literally, that's in fact, gone on to send chills down the spines of people in Bengaluru city. You see the manner in which here the woman is being assaulted left, right and center, out in the public, in the presence of a mob there. None of the people from that mob really, of course, from that gang who've gone on to intervene here. All this merely because, of course, she went on to steal some sarees there from the shop and returned on the second day to steal sarees again when she was caught red-handed. Understandably so, like you rightly raised a question there about why a police complaint was not filed, why the shopkeeper and his aide here decided to take matters into their own hands. Most unfortunate, of course, state of affairs here that there's no fear of the law, and that's why the police, of course, has now gone on to arrest the shopkeeper and his aide as well. The woman, of course, has been arrested on charges of theft and robbery, but a bigger question, of course, asked here about the manner in which the violence here has been meted out to this woman, a video of which has now gone viral.
Right. So, are we looking at just one woman who was accused of shoplifting, or were there other accomplices with her as well?
Well, Amita, as of now, we're told that it's just this woman here who has been arrested, along with, of course, the police now that has launched an investigation into this, suggesting that this was in fact a group from Andhra Pradesh that used to operate. As far as the shopkeeper's side is concerned, the shopkeeper along with another aide of his, both of who are seen, kicking that woman, assaulting her there in that video, both of them have been arrested.
Right, so we're looking at arrests, Neha, that have happened both sides. When it comes to the shopkeepers and his aide who was assaulting the woman, and the woman herself, as you say, was part of a gang that was attempting or indulging in sari theft.
Well, that's right. That's the preliminary information now that's coming from the police, is that reportedly just this one woman here was arrested. One for having stolen sarees worth about 6,000 on the 20th, and then having returned, in fact, to, of course, steal sarees here that were reportedly hung outside the shop like we see in many parts of the city. And that's when, of course, she was arrested. As far as the involvement of other accused in this case is concerned, as of now, the police, of course, is still probing this matter.
All right. Thank you very much, Neha, for joining in. We'll get more details.